my channel. Today we are going over all of my hospital bags. I did kind of categorize it differently because I'm a first time mom and I didn't really know what to pack and I didn't want to bring a big luggage, so everything's pretty much situational. So yeah, let's just get started. Everything is going to be like an add-on, but I'll explain that when we get to it. So let's go over my baby bag. So this is from Kitty Care. And this is the diaper bag that we chose. I'm not really sure if we like it yet because we haven't really tried it out. But it is just this plain backpack. We wanted something that could be hands-free if we needed and just a little bit easier than like a over-the-shoulder type one. Alright, and so this is what everything looks like in the inside. We didn't use these pockets over here because of the fact that, I don't know, I just didn't. So I'm just going to be pulling things out of here. So let's just get started. So I know they're going to be supplying us some diapers, but I wanted to have some on hand anyway. I'm not sure what size she's going to be, so I got a couple newborns and a couple of size 1s. This way we have extras just in case. I also got a small pack of water wipes, and I heard somewhere, I read a lot of articles and watched a lot of videos, and they said that this is the best wipes for newborns, so I got a pack of this. I also have 2 types of hand sanitizers. This one is a sample size from Members Mark, I think is the brand, and this one here is just one that I got from a job fair, so I don't really know what brand the spray one is in. And then I got this little pacifier here, and this is for small and lightweight for newborns. So I just have this. I'm not really sure if we're using pacifiers yet. It's just nice to have. I think I'm also going to bring the little like clip. Yeah, actually let me grab that. So yeah, I'm going to bring a pacifier and this little handy dandy pacifier clip, just so in case we use it, it doesn't fall on the floor. So yeah. So the ultrasound or the sonogram technician said that she has hair. So I wanted to bring this cute little hair set, comb and brush. And so I got this at the Dollar Tree and I'm really excited to use it, and I love Cookie Monster, so that's why I have Cookie Monster. And then we go into the birth cloth, which is nothing really special. I just have one in there. Alright, next is this here. We have all of Tan's clothes and swaddles. So we have this swaddle blanket right here. I just have it folded really nice and neat. Alright, so both outfits that I have will use these kinds of socks, which I got at the Dollar Tree. So I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to make her wear on the way back, but this is going to be her outfit choice number 1 for coming home. I just have a pair of pants, hat, and little mittens in pink, and then she has this cute little full of smiles in the newborn size, and it's just really, really cute. And then outfit number 2, I have the same pants, mittens, and hat, and I have this cute little onesie from the 0 to 3 size, which is really cute as well. And obviously, since we are in Texas, it could be hot or cold, so I want to just make sure I have all of my bases covered, which is why I have pants and everything. And then, in case, I don't know, I just have this sleeper here as well. It has the little mittens in the back, or connected to the sleeves, which is really nice. And it just has like an open flowy on the bottom. So that's that. My next little section here is, all of these are, by the way, from the Dollar Tree, all these like little baggies. So this one right here just has like some breast pads just in case, and then I have a sample of the balm, and also I have a linoleum balm, and this is in the brand Parents' Choice. So that's this one. It just, and everything is labeled, so like you say, it says breastfeeding stuff. So yeah. of breastfeeding, I have my like scarf, shawl, cover-up thing. So this is needed. That one's probably going to stay in here like forever. Well, you know what I mean. And then this one here is extra diapers and stuff. I got this, I think, from dresslink.com, and it has a couple of ones and a couple newborns. So this one is all like the size 1, and then the ones that are not in the Ziploc are size newborn. So I just wanted to make sure that they're easily separated just in case. And I didn't want to have like one like separate them in the extra diaper section, so just makes it easier. Alright, next we're going to go into my purse that I'm going to be bringing with me. So I actually don't think I don't have anything in the front pockets. So that's basically where my phone, wallet, stuff like that's going to be going into. In the main section here, I have my pregnancy binder. This thing is a lifesaver. I seriously have a video on what is in this pregnancy binder. I kind of changed it up a little bit in the first tab, but definitely something that I think is essential for the whole pregnancy process, at least for me. I also have a case here. This is just a random one, and this is where I'm going to put all my jewelry that I'm wearing the day of, just so I don't lose it. For snack-wise, I have my SMT, and this is going to be thing that I'm probably going to be drinking after I give birth. So I'm super excited about that because with my diabetes and the more strict rules of being pregnant and having diabetes, I can't really have this. So I think I'm not even going to drink this all, I don't think. I'm just going to like take a sip and be like, oh my god, that's so good. This is definitely my addiction. But I think like if I give birth, I deserve this as a reward. I don't know. I'm just kidding. But I'm just rambling now. I also got a little thing of beef jerky here. And then I have 2 pouches. This one just has my sugar-free soft or hard candies because I know I'm not supposed to be like eating or drinking or anything like that. But my mouth tends to get really, really dry even when I'm drinking a lot of water. So I don't think ice chips are going to cover it. So I'm hoping I can sneak one of these. I'm not sure. And then these are just breakfast bars for X when he's waiting so he doesn't have to go and raid the vending machine. I also have this here. This actually doesn't have any labels, which is interesting, but this just has all of the cords and stuff that we need for charging purposes. I also have my hairbrush because that is super important. Then I have my rosary here, and also I have some makeup remover wipes just in case I was wearing makeup. I want to have a clean face and all that stuff because I don't know. I feel like if I'm giving birth during labor, I would feel better with a clean face and just, I don't know. That's my train of thought. I don't know. Oh, and I got this bag at Walmart, by the way, like, I think 2-3 years ago. Alright, this one is my bag for 24 hours or less. Actually, less than 24-hour bag. So, we are planning on inducing, so it could either go super quick, at least the inducing process, or super long, which is the long inducing process, or I can have a C-section, which is a long healing process. So either way, I wanted to be prepared for all of those scenarios. So this is my super quick, less than 24-hour bag. So the first thing that I have here is my cup, and this is what's going to be holding all of my ice chips, and hopefully my SMT when I'm done. I also have my camera bag in here. My camera, well, the one I'm filming with right now, is going to be in here, and it also has extra batteries on both sides, and I'm going to make sure that I have a very clear memory card. Alright, I also have thank you cards here that we're going to give to the nursing staff and everyone who helped bring Ton Baby into the world. I thought it would be a nice touch. We also have super soft socks with the little like rivets on the bottoms. Then I have an extra comfy shirt, or I have a comfy shirt for X just in case he's coming from work. And a robe for me. Alright, now it gets sexy. But this is all the undies. So I have mesh panties, granny panties, pad, 2 pads, and my nursing bra in here. I'm not showing you all that, by the way. Then I have some flip-flops. Next, I have my healing section, and this has a bunch of stuff that is super... We're going to get very, very close, you and I. So it has a Terry bottle or a mom washer or whatever it's called. So technically you're going to be very sensitive down there. So this is how you wash after you pee. I'm also going to have hair ties, which probably should be in my purse, but whatever. Some vitamins, pain pills, and acid reflux stuff. I also, for X. And then I have a thing of Tums dupes here. I also have some stool softener, laxative, and then this wonderful spray. This is supposed to like cool and moisturize and help you for down there, apparently. I don't know. I read a whole bunch of stuff and saw a bunch of like different YouTube videos, and apparently that thing is godsend. And then the hemorrhoid cream, because yeah, we're not gonna get into that. Alright, this is just makeup just in case after we are done and Tani's in the world and I want to take a couple pictures. I don't know how I feel about this. I just want to have it just in case. There's nothing crazy in here, just like the base to make me not look so dead and tired, basically. Don't even know if I'm going to be using it, but I'd rather have it. I also have an extra baggie here just for things that we are going to be acquiring from the hospital on the way back. And then we have my going home stuff, which has, actually this is like a little sleeper shirt, just in case I want to change out of the hospital gown. My going away outfit, which is just this maxi dress. I figured that I wouldn't really want to put on pants afterwards because I'm going to be super uncomfortable as it is. And then I have my belly band. Okay, and for this last bag, this is my longer than 24 hours bag. It's actually not that full. It's just a bigger bag than it looked like, or that I needed. I just wanted to make sure I had extra space. So first up, I have the DS and DS Games and charger, and this is just for me, for X, if we're like, it's gonna take forever to induce, because I don't want him bored, and I also have a book for me because I don't want to be bored. And until the big show starts, we're probably going to be bored. So it could take up to 2 days to induce. I don't know. It also could be after if I have a C-section. So I just wanted to be prepared. Also, if you're wondering, X doesn't really have that many things in these bags because we literally live right across the street and he has to come home anyway to take care of the animals and stuff. So, yeah. This is all my personal hygiene stuff. It just has stuff that... like my nightly routine, lotion, toothbrush, toothpaste, nothing really interesting in here, so I'm not really going to go through it all. It also has some leave-in conditioner because my hair doesn't like dry shampoo because of the fact that it's already dry, and it's dry in Texas. So that's why I have leave-in conditioner instead of that. We also have here undies. This has more mesh panties, granny panties, pads, and nursing bras in here. Not going to show you those. And in this packing cube right here, it has all of extra clothes. It has my house slippers in here, more sticky bottom socks, some pajama tops, and more like loose fitted like nightgown type things. Because of the fact, again, it could be before or after. Doesn't really matter. I just want to make sure that I'm comfortable as much as possible while I'm there. Oh, and I have another baggie here because I want to make sure we have all our bases covered. Alright, and that is everything. I know it looks like a lot, but I really just want to make sure I have everything. And again, this is my first baby, so I don't really know what to expect. Oh, I'm also thinking about bringing my nursing pillow. I haven't really decided yet. Probably going to bring it because rather be safe than sorry is like this whole theme of this video, or this whole theme of packing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll definitely